Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, welcome back with another video. This is Mamun. I am a content creator as well as English trainer. Today I am going to talk about this advanced structure like at the age of. So what does that means? That means বয়সে. If you want to create any sentence with this structure, you must have to add number. That means 16, 17, 10, 12. Okay, it totally depends on you. In the beginning, I would like to say how to arrange many sentences with this structure. So let's see. First of all, you have to add any complete sentence. Okay, getting? You have to add any complete sentence, then at the age of, then number. Okay, so let's see and get into the video. So first of all, we can say such as like I got admitted. I got admitted to university at the age of 20. At the age of 20. After that, you can say he learned English. He learned English at the age of 25. After that, you can say she learned swimming at the age of 30. After that, you can say my grandfather passed away at the age of 61. Okay, or you can say another word like died. My grandfather died at the age of 61. Okay, after that you can say many people become eligible to vote at the age of 18. Many people become eligible to vote at the age of 18. After that you can say she started her own business at the age of 22. After that you can say I moved to Dhaka at the age of 33. So eventually we can say they married off their daughter at the age of 14. Okay, so I hope you are getting my point, what I'm trying to say, and you have been able to get my points from this video. Okay, so till then, no more late, and stay well everyone. Assalamu alaikum.